In this tutorial, I'll show you how to see TTS generation history on ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access your text-to-speech generation history in ElevenLabs and how to quickly preview or download any of your past audio files. First, log in at ElevenLabs.io. In your browser, go to ElevenLabs.io and sign in with your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Next, go to Text-to-Speech. On the left navigation or top menu, click Text-to-Speech to open the generation panel where you normally type text and select a voice. Now, click the History tab on the right side of the panel. Look to the right edge of the text-to-speech interface and select the History tab. This opens your recent TTS generations in a side panel so you can review what you've created before. You're only viewing past activity here, so nothing changes or gets deleted by opening this tab. On smaller screens, tap the History icon above the Generate button. If you're on a phone, tablet, or a narrow browser window, the layout shifts to fit the screen. In that case, look just above the Generate button and tap the History icon to open the same list of past generations. From here, browse your past generated audio files. You'll see your previous text-to-speech outputs listed in order with the most recent at the top. Scroll to move through the list and pause when you find the item you want. If you generate often, give the page a moment to load entries as you scroll. You can open and close the History panel at any time without affecting your current text-to-speech settings. Click Play to preview or download to save any file. To check a result, click Play and listen right inside the panel. Audio will start immediately so you can confirm the content and voice. When you want a copy, click Download. Your browser will save the file to your default downloads location or prompt you to choose where to save it. Previewing or downloading won't modify or remove the generation, so you can safely review as many files as you need. That's all you need to do. You logged in at ElevenLabs.io, went to Text-to-Speech, opened the History tab on desktop, or tapped the History icon on smaller screens, browsed your past generated audio, and used Play to preview or download to save any file. Your TTS generation history on ElevenLabs is now accessible and working as expected. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.